Hi there, students. A dunderhead, or even an adjective, dunderheaded. This is an informal word for an idiot. Maybe it's a little bit old-fashioned, but you could certainly use this without any problem. So, a dunderhead, an idiot, somebody who does silly things, a blockhead, a dunce, bird brain, a bonehead, a clot, a dolt, a dullard, somebody who doesn't know what they're doing, an imbecile, an ignoramus, a meathead, you could say as well, a nincompoop, that's a good word, a nitwit, a numbskull, a prat, maybe. Okay, so a dunderhead. I was such a dunderhead. I made such a stupid mistake. I'm so dunderheaded. Why did I make such a dunderheaded decision? I'm a dunderhead. He's a dunderhead, so don't put him in charge of anything, or we're just going to have problems. A stupid person, but informal as well. An idiot, a twerp, a dunce, a bird brain, somebody that, they're not very smart. The village idiot's a bit of a dunderhead. So, this is an easy word to use. Don't be such a dunderhead. I was a dunderhead when I did that. This was a dunderheaded idea. I should have done something different. I made some really dunderheaded mistakes in the exam. You see, it's really easy to use. Okay, what about formality? This is informal. I'd give this probably a 3.5 informality. Use this in an informal conversation. Maybe something more neutral, an idiot or something like that, or in a more formal situation as well. And then as to origin, Dunderhead, and I think dunder actually comes from the Dutch word donder, the Middle Dutch word meaning thunder, so thunderhead. It's like there's thunder going on in his head, so he can't hear the thoughts. A nice easy word to use, but notice if you call somebody a dunderhead, you're being critical, but it's not really rude or unfriendly, okay? It's fairly loving and fairly low-key. You were a bit of a dunderhead when you did that. You should have thought more clearly. So there you go, a dunderhead. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, don't be a dunderhead, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dunderhead. Dunderheaded.